Hey, and welcome to CC Week 3 Upside Down Image. The supplies you'll need this week are going to be paper, a black pen or marker, or you could use a crayon, and then some crayons of your choice to color our finished drawing. So let's get started. First, we're going to take a piece of just regular paper and we're going to warm up and get our hands and brain ready to draw. So let's fold it once, then we're going to turn it and we're going to fold it again. Now we've been building on our oils, so let's just remind ourselves of what those are. So first we have our circles, we have our lines with our dots, we have our angled lines, and we have our curved lines. You've probably taken these and drawn many other things, and this is the basis for drawing. So let's just continue warming up. So let's find another blank rectangle right here, and we're going to draw a straight line here, and then we're going to put a point down here at the bottom and we're going to connect the point here. So basically we drew an upside down triangle. And then we're going to come and we're going to draw another little line with a point and connect that for upside down triangle, another line with a point and upside down triangle. And now we're going to draw a line and we're going to hop over these triangles. It can be a squiggly line, it can be a curved line, it does not have to be perfectly straight. And then we're going to put a circle here. Now if we flip it around, does this remind you of our week 1 Egyptian pyramids that we drew? All it was simple shapes from our oils. All right, let's continue practicing. Let's get another area. Okay, let's draw, follow along with me. Let's draw a line with a small straight line underneath it. Then let's give it a little space and we're going to do an angled line and come up with another angled line. And then let's connect these two here. Now let's do a nice big curved line. We're going to start here at the top and come down to the bottom. Great. So now let's flip this around. And we just wrote the word cat, but our brain wasn't thinking about it. With upside down drawing, this is a technique to help us draw what we see and not what we think we see. Sometimes we can get so locked into seeing things one way, it's hard for us to see it a different way. But when we can trick our brain, sometimes it can become much easier. So let's try that again. So while this is papers this way, let's write your name on here. I'm going to write one of my son's names. Whit. And now I'm going to flip it over. And now we've got these symbols that our brain recognizes as letters when they're one way, but now they're just simple lines. And so I'm going to draw his name, and I'm just following what I have here. So you can practice with your name. And then you can flip it over. Maybe your writing's better upside down. Maybe it's the same. But this is just an exercise of upside down drawing and how it helps us see things from a different perspective. And so now we're going to put this aside and get a new sheet of paper and continue on with the same concept.